Every time you write @property in Python, you're using the descriptor protocol under the hood. And most developers have no idea. A descriptor is any Python object that defines at least one of three methods: done-to-get, done-to-set, or done-to-delete, together called the descriptor protocol. When Python resolves an attribute lookup, it checks the class for a descriptor first. If one is found, Python delegates to that descriptor's done-to-get rather than reading directly from the instance dictionary. Here's where it clicks. The built-in property class is itself a descriptor. When you decorate a method with @property, Python creates a property instance on the class, not the instance. And that object implements done-to-get, done-to-set, and done-to-delete internally. Every access goes through those methods automatically. Property isn't magic. It's a well-designed descriptor that ships with Python. Descriptors come in two types. Data descriptors define done-to-set or done-to-delete. They take priority over instance attributes. Non-data descriptors only define done-to-get, so instance attributes can shadow them. Property is always a data descriptor, even when you only write a getter. Use @property when you need getter or setter logic on a single class. Write a custom descriptor when you want to reuse that attribute logic across multiple classes. Think type validation, unit conversion, or lazy loading. Property is just a built-in descriptor. Once you understand the protocol, you can write your own for clean, reusable attribute logic across any class. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.